Hair extensions gone wrong for fine hair. This is what my natural hair looks like. It's super soft, but honestly, it's super flat. As you can see here, this one is the invisible clip-in, and this one is like your common clip-in and what it looks like. So here we have the invisible clip-in, and I'm gonna go ahead and clip that in the hair so you all can see. And that's the way it looks. Crazy. You literally can't tell. And then I'm going to clip in the usual clip-ins that I used to wear, and that's the way it looks in my hair. So as you can see, there's like a huge difference between the two. These are definitely invisible, and this one right here, you can obviously see it. And look at how well the color blends with my hair. So I'm going to show you guys up at the top to show how seamless. So I'm going to clip it right here. And then I'm a middle part girly, so I'm gonna smooth it over. You literally cannot see a thing. These clip-ins are thin at the base, and they're super lightweight, and it just blends so well into my hair. So we're gonna put these invisible clip-ins all through my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys that process. So the first one I grabbed was the 3-clip invisible weft. And just like that, instant volume. Right, and then I'm gonna clip the 2-piece invisible weft. And then we're gonna do a 2-piece invisible weft on this side. All right, so this is the hair all put in my head. It looks so shiny, so beautiful. I'm just obsessed. So next I'm gonna style it and curl it a little bit at the ends. Grab one section of the hair. Oh my god, it's so bouncy and beautiful. I'm obsessed. All right, so this is with the curls. With these clip-ins, since they're invisible, you can also style your hair. Just gonna do like a little half up, half down moment. Okay, and then this is the hair in a half up, half down. So beautiful. I am also gonna show you guys how I do an updo with these invisible clip-ins. So let's really put that to the test. You literally can't see anything. Wow. Guys, I can't say enough great things about these invisible clip-ins. Like, I mean, they speak for themselves. I'm obsessed. Completely obsessed.